Lear, probably one of the more striking raptors out here. Beautiful big, it's not a true eagle, it's actually a snake eagle. Small technical differences, the Battaliers or all your snake eagles don't have feathers right down to the foot, it sort of stops halfway down the leg, but one of the bigger raptors out here, and probably one of, if not, I was going to say one of the more spectacular, if not maybe the most spectacular. They've got that beautiful dark black coloration, the red beak around the face, the red beak itself, red legs. And again, if you've maybe just joined us this afternoon for a drive, awesome to have you here. And if you're someone that's joined us a lot, you think back up to about I can't remember exactly, about a week or so ago, a week and a half ago, we had one of the most amazing sightings ever of a Battalier sitting up against a blue sky and a dead leadwood tree. Always awesome to see a nice raptor. Something about their aloofness, such regal animals. A bit difficult to see the first part of its name, a lilac-breasted roller. Just looking at it from the back, still this beautiful soft hues of blue and turquoise. It's always good when animals work with us. Very accommodating, this roller just turning around for us. Now I can clearly see why it's called a lilac-breasted roller. Beautiful sort of soft purple pink chest. And then all your rollers, the whole family of birds, share a common behavior where they do these big loops and circles, tumbles as part of their territorial displays, or show off to females, or one male trying to chase another male. Beautiful detail on these birds as well. If you look carefully around the face and the beak, all the different, slight different colors of grey and white around the face as well.
Good. Call again? Hey Jim, can I pull in there from this coming up for the whole Tesla now? You can pull in, my Tesla will be controlled with this noise, but we'll be ready. I'll pull in. That's not beautiful.
One of the theories about these beautiful colors that they have, a lot of your insect-eating birds, bright colors. Obvious reason for it is that they display themselves nicely, so it'll show the next competitor or other birds that they're around. There's also a possibility that they mimic flowers. If you do have insects flying around, they might just veer towards the direction because it's nice and brightly colored, and then obviously that gives the bird the opportunity to get some quick food. I think we're going to roll along as well. Fantastic bird. High up in the marula tree. Oh, well, let's just see. That was awesome. For a second I thought we were going to be able to stop right underneath it. Try and stay on it. I'm just going to roll forward slightly. Get that branch out the way of the foreground of the bird. Beautiful mature yellow-billed hornbill, really nice big one, heavy beak. Just see the way this bird uses the beak and grooming at the moment. It's been doing it for a while. Knows exactly what to do with each feather, knows exactly how to use the beak to do it with. That's why it's nice and healthy as well.